Today we're exploring how to build atmosphere using subtle haze and soft light. Add a little brightness to the highlights, and reduce contrast slightly to introduce a gentle atmospheric layer. Cooling shadows or warming highlights can shift the mood dramatically. A small amount of haze can make landscapes more dreamy or portraits more romantic. Keep everything subtle. Too much haze makes an image look washed out. A balanced approach creates emotion without losing detail. Thanks for joining today. More atmospheric editing tips soon.